If you want to find and manage sound settings on OPPO Reno 15, first of all, we just have to open the settings on our phone, and then you should be able to easily find sound and vibration. At the start, we have live caption, which can be easily enabled or disabled. In my case, I actually have to update the software for live caption, but once it is updated, you can just turn it on or off. And you can also find these settings in here, additional settings that you might need to use. Over here, we can also choose the ring mode. Well, you can choose between ring mode, vibration, and silent. So you can choose if you want to quickly mute your microphone or not. Next, we have a couple of vibration options like vibrate on ring, and we can also adjust the intensity of vibration for calls and alarms, as well as messages and notifications. We can also find the DND mode settings and also the DND mode itself, which can be, of course, easily enabled and disabled over here. Then we have the volume section, so you can adjust the volume for media, ringtone, notification, and alarm. We can also adjust the functionality of volume buttons. By default, we use them to adjust media volume, but we can also switch that to ringtone volume, so you can use volume up and volume down to change ringtone volume instead of media volume. There is also the app-specific volume option. When it's enabled, you can, of course, adjust the volume for each app separately. Besides these options, we can also find sound selection, so we have the choice to adjust the ringtone, so choose a ringtone that we want to use, and of course we can use two different ringtones for two SIMs. We can also change our notification tone or notification sound, and here we can also find system sounds. There is also the clear voice, which is a noise reduction for the microphone on our OPPO Reno 15, which is used during calls. We have some sound effects, so over here we can find the all reality different profiles, and you can actually change sound effects if you use something else than loudspeakers. So if you use like earbuds, for example, headphones, or stuff like that, then you can actually change sound effects to different things. Holo audio allows you to simply enable that feature, so we can play multiple audio sources at the same time in different spatial locations, and you can easily distinguish between them apparently. And we also have some additional vibration options. These are actually called haptics, so we can toggle system haptics or adjust their intensity. And in more, we can find the option to choose the recording device for camera, whichever microphone you want to use. If you want to use the microphone that is built within the phone, or if you want to use the external one. We can also play ringtones through headphones, and we can also toggle in-ear monitoring. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.